Hello guys, welcome to Tableau session part 3. In the previous session, we have learned about how to draw a bar chart, and then we have learned about how to create a new calculated field if the variable is not available in the data we have provided in the Excel file. In the today's session, we are going to see one more real-time example, that is unemployment data. So we are going to analyze how the unemployment was there in the period from 2005 to 2015. For this one, we are loading the Excel file. Guys, we are saving this Excel file and then providing a link in the description of this video. You can download from the GitHub directly. So by looking at the data, we can see it has the unemployment count for a specific date period, that is from 2005 to 2015. It has all the records, and then we can see the data got segregated based on the gender and then age. Here we can see the gender can be men and women, and then the age we can see it got segregated into 7 periods, that is 16 to 19 years, 20 to 24 years, and so on. It goes until 65 years and over. Let's analyze this data by using a new sheet. So here we can see in the left side panel the variables got segregated automatically. So the separation was done by Tableau. Here the top variables, what we call it as dimensions, and the below variables as measures. So here we want to display the unemployment data based on a specific period. When we see here, we have the symbol as date here for the period, as it is having the date values in it. Let's drag this period into the column section, and then we are dragging this unemployment count into the rows section. See, Tableau automatically generated the line plot. If you want to change the type of plot, you can click on here and then change it to bar chart or line chart or anything. When we see here the line chart for the year 2005, we can see of 18 million records, and then for 2006 we have 15 million records. So it got summed up based on the year. So the unemployment count got aggregated here by using this sum. So the value of year where it got segregated, we are making it into the month now. Yes, so by looking at this data, we can see in the month of January 2005 we have 17 million records, and then we have in the February we have 17.35 million. In the May month we have 15 million. So by looking at this data, so the granularity of the data, it can be either year or month. Okay, so the granularity level we are doing it for the dimension variables. So here we are doing it for the variable name period. When we click on this variable, here we can see two sections. One is the top one, which is having year, quarter, month, and the below also we can see year, quarter and month. So let's use the month variable over here. Here we can see the data got grouped by month. So for the January month, it has 38 million records. That means like the entire data got grouped based on the month, irrespective of the year or date or day. So it summed up all the records for any year in the month of January. So it is showing us 38 million records. But we want in each year for a specific month, what is the count? For this one, we have to use the below section part, that is month here. So we can see here the difference. Here it is for a specific year, specific month, it is aggregating the unemployment count. So now we can see for the January month 17 million records, only for the year 2005. Let's analyze this bit more. So we are having this data based on the date and the count. Let's have age and gender data as well in the report. By dragging the age into the color section, we can see of for each age what is the unemployment count. So total of 7 records we have, that is 7 line charts added in the same plot. Why? Because we have like 65 years and above, and then we have 16 to 19 years, 55 to 64 years, like that. So here there is a box over here which describes what color represents the what age here. So by dragging this age into the label section, we can see of one more, that is the age here. And then we want to filter this based on the age. Let's drag this into the filter field. Here we can see of all 7 different variable ranges, that is 16 to 19, 20 to 24, like that. Let's click on this OK. So instead of viewing it in the line chart, let's use the area chart over here. See here, we have the area chart here. When we look at this, in the below it has the 65 years and above, and the above we have 55 to 64 years, like that. It got added up on each chart in the plot. In order to see only specific age duration, you can add this age into the filter section here. So here we added the age, and then we want to see the filter. So here we can see the filter now. If you want to see only the specific duration from 25 to 34 years, what is the unemployment data, you can click on it here. Here we can see of the chart only for the age group from 25 to 34. And then if you want to see all the data, then you click on all. So in this way we can represent the data in the line chart, which describes it more easily. Thank you so much guys. In the next session we are going to see a new topic.